Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on the CS384 Python programming. So in this tutorial, I will cover some visual VS Code tips and tricks and also some extensions. So I think most of you must have been using the AdBlock extension in Firefox or Chrome or maybe other type of add-ons like Grammarly and etc. So what does this extension do? So extension means those are not being developed by the original coder who wrote Python, who wrote Chrome or etc. But some third-party coders who basically extend the language, right? Similarly, VS Code is just like a basic editor, but by extensions you can enhance its power to many folds. Okay. So first of all, you can see I just begin from the last time from CS384. I had my program hello.py. Okay, so Microsoft VS Code is intelligent enough to it automatically informs you that Python extension is recommended for this. You can click install here, but we will go through a normal process where even if this pop-up does not appear, you can just scroll down here and you can see this square button, right? So in this square button, let us type Python. So we will have few extensions that I will explain you over time. But in this lecture, we will cover all the important extensions that I need you to install. So the first editor with a star here, you can see this is Python from Microsoft. Okay, we need this installation. So click on install. It will take some time to install. Okay, so it says this extension is enabled globally. Okay, now you can come back to your file. So the first option here is to come back to your file, and now when I click Python here, okay, from the bottom left you can see here the version Python 3.7.3. okay, I already have another version of Python installed, Anaconda, so just ignore. So the moment I click here, it gives me two options, right? Python 3.7.0. If you remember the last lecture, we had changed the path for Python interpreter to C colon Python, Python 3.7 and Python.exe, right? I have an Anaconda installation, just ignore it as of now. In your screens, if you just follow my method, you will see only this one. So I select Python 3.7.0. Okay, so now again to verify, you can just check in the bottom left Python 3.7.0 64-bit. Okay, and to execute this code, you can just go on the screen and select run Python file in terminal in the top right. So when I click this, I get a terminal window here and my output is hello world, right? So this is how you execute code within the VS Code itself. Okay, there are other methods also. Once you save the file, right, you can just right click anywhere in the blank space and select this option, run Python file in terminal. Okay, once you execute here, you have hello world. Let us add another help statement, print hello class of CS384, right? I save the file and I select this option, run Python file in terminal. So you have now two hello world and hello class of 384. Okay, so this is how you write a basic code in Python and then execute in VS Code. In the next class, we will see some more interesting add-ons and extensions for Python. This lecture concludes here. Thank you.